Yo, what's up YouTube? This is the world famous Cuss over here, Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. Today I got a video. I'm gonna actually replace this Andis Masters blade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like 3 or 4 little teeth on here that's chipped. And I went and got the replacement Andis Masters replacement blade. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys how to replace the blades. First of all, you're gonna need a screwdriver. And the first thing you would do is, of course, unplug the Andis Masters. You don't want it plugged in while you're doing this. You take a screwdriver to the screws, right? These 2 screws right here. You unscrew them, they come right off once you get them all the way unscrewed, okay? Real simple, straight to the point. This comes off, 2 screws right there. This comes off right here. You can see the 3 or 4 missing teeth, okay? I like to clean this off when I do that. You can see all excess hair in there. Once you take the moving blade off. Yeah, let me get something to clean this stuff out. There's always a lot of hair build-up in here. Anyways, there you go. So, since I got that removed, let me go ahead and open this up right here. I had already took a razor to it and drew a line on the this little piece right here. So this is the replacement of the moving blade. Looks the same. Actually looks like there's a little bit of rust right here, but we're not gonna worry about that. Moving blade the stationary blade looks good. Looks exactly like that blade. So first step is to put this back on just like the way we took the first one off. It goes right back on the same way we took the other one off, okay? Second thing you want to do is put this on top. I'm going to go ahead and lift this lever up. That way the blades are in a closed position. Now I got this first screw on. Go ahead and screw it on here. Not all the way. A few spins. That way I can have it in a good position. Okay, so now that I got it halfway in, I got this lever all the way up. That way this is in a closed position. What I'll do now is press my finger right here to tighten this blade. That way it's in a secure position. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it all the way. Tighten these screws all the way. And there you go. I just replaced the Andis Masters blade, and I don't never really zero gap my Andis Masters, so there you go, just like new. Okay, you guys got any questions, go ahead and comment below. Hit like and subscribe if you like this video. This is a very straightforward short video. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody on YouTube showing me love. Like I said, if you like this, go ahead and hit like, subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, y'all. Custom_made_cuts. See you soon. Peace.